say she's more than a dream. Her moves are sleek and so subtle, just enough to make us scream. You know there's something about her that makes you act like a child. You know there's something deep inside her that makes you wanna run wild. Oh no, oh no, oh no, here she comes. Doorbell Dixie again, bringing your heart and running away. Doorbell Dixie again, playing the game she loves to play. Oh no, oh no, oh no, here she comes. She loves nothing more than to tease you, leaving you crying in your fear. She'll hook you in and release you, leaving you shaking and fail. You know it doesn't really matter. You keep on going back for more. You can hear her joke and her laughter as she turns and runs from the door. Oh no, oh no, oh no, here she comes. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, bringing your heart and running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, playing the game she was born to play. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, don't you listen to what she says. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, bringing your heart and then she's running away. Oh no, oh no, oh no, here she comes. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again. Ooh, she's ringing your heart again. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, she's playing a game she was born to play. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, she's ringing your heart and then she's running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, play it down. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, she's ringing your heart and then she's running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, playing the game she was born to play. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, she's ringing your heart and then she's running away. Here comes Doorbell Dixie again, ringing your heart and then she's running away. More than a you're doing it so dirty. Good job, man. 2 inches off the yeah, you're gonna hit on my head. You're not even. Oh, yeah. You got me here. You're like right there.